But the higher level of understanding sa digital marketing is a bit higher. It's more of connecting your brand or connecting your business to the people or to your customers. It's to have that connection. Kamu guys, ang usa sa struggle siguro ninyo ano naglisod mo pangitag kliyente karon, it's because you don't have any connection with your customers right now. One of the advantage what we have in our business right now is that if na madto sa among shop, most likely ang kanang mga customers na mo dira nakailan ako personally. If not personally, through digitally, no? So there's a sense of familiarity in which I cannot even compete sa presyo, even sila adapt sa among presyo. So para na ako gitangtang na gyud na ako ang price war sa among negosyo. So mao daw ang ingon sa among grupo no na if you are someone nga tawagan, you have the advantage. Unless if kamo mismo ang manawag, kamo may mahangyo yun. Kamo may hangyoon. So might as well be that someone nga kamo ang tawagan.